Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can charge the batteries for the JBL WaveBuds. And it's pretty simple, and I'm going to show you the process. So first I want to share with you is that when you're going to download the app for the JBL on your phone, you can always see here the battery for your earbuds. So you see 100%, 100%. So this is like first important thing. The second thing, how to charge them, is really simple. First, you're going to put both of the earbuds into the case, and then what you would do is that you're going to take the charger. You're going to have the official one here. I don't really use it because I have this one in my computer, and then you're just going to insert the cable into the case, and automatically you do see this. Right now you see it's charging. So this is how you can charge the batteries for the JBL WaveBuds. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.